I miss my friend. I miss same. I'm buang buang. I feel stressed, guys. I just want to feel myself like I don't want to. Hello. I feel stressed, Chris. That's why I just live. I have coffee here. Just I don't mind stress. And my leg every day this pain. This one I show you the leg where pain. You see my panty there. This you see my panty. There pain. This one here pain and there going in my leg. There pain. It's really pain. I already go to the someone massage or someone doctor Pak. They said I have arthritis and that's sad. I'm I'm too young to have arthritis.